Hi, Mary. Thanks for calling tech support. How can I help you today?
My computer is so slow. I have a presentation in 20 minutes.
I understand. That sounds stressful. Let me help you right now.
I already restarted it 3 times. Nothing works.
Okay, no problem. Can you close all your programs first?
But I need them open. I'm working.
I know, Mary. Let's save your work first. Then we close them, okay?
Fine. Okay. Done. Now what?
Good. Now, right-click on the Start button,
Right click. Which button?
the Windows button, bottom left corner. Right-click it.
Oh, okay. I see a menu now.
Perfect. Click on Task Manager.
Okay. Wow, something is using 90%.
Exactly. Click on it and press End Task.
Done. My computer is faster now.
Great. Your presentation will work fine now.
Thank you so much, John. You saved me.
No problem, Mary. Good luck with your presentation.